Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Liam. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good too. Today, I want to talk about the weather. Do you like talking about the weather?
Yes, I do. The weather is a simple topic, but it is very interesting. I like to know if it is sunny, rainy, or cold.
Me too. I check the weather every morning. Today, it is sunny and warm. I like sunny days.
I like sunny days also. When it is sunny, I feel happy. I can go outside and enjoy the park.
I agree. Sunny days are perfect for a walk or a picnic. But sometimes I like rainy days too.
Really? I do not like rainy days very much. I prefer dry weather.
I understand. Rainy days can be very wet, but I like the sound of rain. It is calm and relaxing.
That is true. The sound of rain can be nice, but when it rains too much, I feel a little sad.
Yes, too much rain can make the day feel dark. What about cold weather? Do you like cold days?
I like cold weather if it is not too cold. I enjoy cool days in the autumn. I can wear a light jacket.
I love autumn. The leaves are orange and red, and the air is fresh. It is very beautiful.
Yes, autumn is my favorite season. I also like winter, but sometimes winter is too cold for me.
Winter can be very cold, and sometimes it snows. Snow is fun, but it makes the roads slippery.
I agree. Snow is beautiful, but I prefer to be warm. I like to drink hot chocolate in winter.
Hot chocolate is the best in winter. It makes you feel warm and happy.
What do you do on sunny days, Emma?
On sunny days, I like to go to the park. I walk, read a book, or have a picnic with my friends. And you, Liam?
I like to ride my bicycle and play soccer with my friends. Sunny days are good for outdoor activities.
Yes, outdoor activities are fun when the weather is nice. What do you do when it is rainy?
When it is rainy, I stay at home. I like to watch movies and listen to music. Sometimes I read a book.
I also read books and sometimes draw. Rainy days are good for indoor hobbies.
That is true. Indoor activities can be very enjoyable when the weather is bad.
Liam, do you check the weather every day?
Yes, I check the weather on my phone every morning. It helps me plan my day.
I do the same. I like to know if I need an umbrella or a jacket.
Exactly. If it is sunny, I wear a t-shirt. If it is cold, I wear a sweater. And if it rains, I take an umbrella.
I always carry an umbrella in my bag when the weather is uncertain. It is good to be prepared.
Yes, being prepared makes the day easier. I hate it when I go out and it starts to rain without warning.
That is very annoying. I once got wet because I did not check the weather. Now I check it every day.
I have had that experience too. Since then, I always plan my clothes according to the weather.
Do you like talking about the weather with your friends?
Yes, I do. Sometimes my friends and I discuss our favorite kinds of weather. It is a fun conversation.
I like to ask my friends what they do on sunny or rainy days. We share our plans and ideas.
Talking about the weather is a simple way to start a conversation. It makes small talk easy.
I agree. Weather talk is friendly and helps us connect with others.
Emma, what is the weather like in your hometown?
I am from a small town. In my hometown, the weather is usually warm and sunny. We have a lot of sunny days.
That sounds nice. I come from a city where the weather is sometimes rainy and windy.
I like warm weather. It makes me feel energetic.
I like a mix of weather. I enjoy sunny days, but I also like a little rain now and then.
Do you have a favorite season, Liam?
Yes, my favorite season is autumn. I love the cool air and the colorful leaves.
Autumn is beautiful. I also like autumn very much. It is a time of change.
What about you, Emma? What is your favorite season?
I think my favorite season is spring. In spring, the weather is mild and the flowers bloom. Everything looks fresh.
Spring is lovely too. I like the new beginnings that spring brings.
Yes, each season has its charm. I enjoy different activities in each season.
Emma, do you think the weather affects your mood?
Yes, I believe the weather can change my mood. When it is sunny, I feel happy and active. When it is rainy, I sometimes feel a little sleepy.
I feel the same. Sunny days make me feel energetic, and rainy days make me want to relax at home.
It is interesting how weather can influence our feelings.
Yes, weather is a simple thing, but it can have a big effect on our day.
Liam, do you like extreme weather?
Not really. I do not like very hot days or very cold days. I prefer mild weather.
I agree. Extreme heat makes me uncomfortable, and extreme cold makes me feel cold and tired.
I like moderate temperatures. It is the best for outdoor activities.
Yes, moderate weather is perfect for a picnic or a walk in the park.
Emma, have you ever experienced a storm?
Yes, I have. One time, there was a big storm in my town. It was windy and rainy. I stayed at home and listened to the rain.
I remember a storm when I was a child. The wind was very strong, and the trees moved a lot. It was a little scary, but also exciting.
Storms can be interesting to watch from the window, but I prefer calm weather.
I agree. Calm weather is more relaxing.
Do you like to travel when the weather is nice?
Yes, I love to travel on sunny days. I like to visit the beach or go hiking in the mountains.
Sunny weather is perfect for travel. I like to take photos of beautiful landscapes when it is clear.
Traveling in good weather makes the trip more enjoyable.
Liam, what do you do in your city when the weather is nice?
When the weather is nice, I like to visit the park, go to a cafe, or meet my friends outside.
That sounds very pleasant. I often go to the park or have a picnic with my family on sunny days.
Picnics are fun. I also enjoy reading a book in the park when it is warm.
Yes, the park is a great place to relax and enjoy nature.
Emma, do you think the weather affects your daily plans?
Yes, it does. If it is sunny, I plan to go outside. If it is rainy, I stay at home and read or watch TV.
I plan my activities based on the weather too. I check the forecast before I make plans.
It is very helpful to know the weather. It makes planning easier.
I agree. When I know it will be sunny, I feel excited to go out.
And when it is rainy, I feel calm and ready to enjoy indoor activities.
Emma, do you ever complain about the weather?
Sometimes I do. If it rains too much, I feel a little frustrated. But I try to enjoy whatever weather we have.
I sometimes complain when it is very hot, but I remind myself that every weather has its good side.
That is a good attitude. I try to find something positive in every weather. For example, I like the smell of the earth when it rains.
Yes, the smell of rain is very nice. It makes me feel relaxed.
What is the weather like today in your city? Liam.
Today it is sunny and warm. The sky is clear and there are no clouds.
That is great. In my city, it is a little windy, but also sunny. I like windy days sometimes.
Windy days are interesting. The wind makes the trees move and the air feel fresh.
Yes, fresh air is very important. I like to open my windows on a windy day.
Me too. I love to breathe in the fresh air. It makes me feel alive.
Liam, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the beach if the weather is nice. I want to swim and relax in the sun.
That sounds wonderful. I may go for a hike in the mountains if it is not too hot.
Hiking is a great activity in good weather. I hope the weather is perfect for both of us.
Yes, I check the weather forecast every day to plan my weekend. It is very helpful.
I do the same. I always check if it will be sunny or rainy before I make plans.
I learned that from you, Liam. Now I always check the weather in the morning.
I am happy to share that with you. It makes our days easier.
I agree. Planning according to the weather helps me enjoy my free time.
Emma, do you like weather apps on your phone?
Yes, I do. I use a weather app every day. It tells me if it will be sunny, rainy, or cold.
I use a weather app too. It is very simple and shows the forecast for the week.
Weather apps are very useful. They help me plan my day and my clothes.
I check my app every morning before I go out. It makes me feel prepared.
I check mine with my breakfast. It is part of my daily routine.
That is a good habit. Knowing the weather helps me decide if I need an umbrella or a jacket.
Yes, and it also helps me plan outdoor activities. I like to know if I can go for a walk or not.
Exactly. A good weather forecast makes my day better.
Liam, do you think the weather is different in other countries?
Yes, I think so. I have heard that in some countries it is very hot all year, and in others it is very cold.
I would like to visit a country with a different climate someday. Maybe a place that is very sunny or very snowy.
That would be interesting. I want to visit a place with a mild climate and beautiful scenery.
Traveling to different places helps us experience new weather and new cultures.
Yes, I believe that weather is part of the culture. It affects how people live and what they do.
I agree. Weather is a simple topic, but it connects us all.
Talking about the weather is a good way to start a conversation with someone new.
Yes, it is friendly and easy to understand. I often use weather talk to practice my English.
Me too. It helps me learn new words and ideas. Emma, I am glad we talked about the weather today. It is a simple topic, but I learned a lot.
I am happy too, Liam. I learned new words and I feel more confident speaking English.
Talking about the weather makes our conversation easy and fun. I enjoy practicing with you.
I enjoy it very much. Thank you for asking me so many questions about the weather.
Thank you, Emma, for your answers. You are a great conversation partner.
Liam, do you want to continue practicing English tomorrow?
Yes, I would like that very much. What do you want to talk about tomorrow?
Maybe we can talk about our daily routines or our hobbies.
That is a good idea. I like to share my routine and learn about yours.
Great. I will prepare some questions and we can practice together again.
I am looking forward to it. Thank you for today's conversation, Emma.
Thank you too, Liam. I had a wonderful time talking with you.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.